What's crack, everybody? Welcome back to Video Production Factory, and I'm Ali. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please make sure to subscribe, and when you open all the notifications you will not gonna miss anything. Today we will gonna try to find out how the autofocus system works on bright day, in which picture profile, and which autofocus system is good for Lumix S5 cameras. So if you want to get informed more, stay tuned. And this weather is so good today. Yeah, you're also so lucky because it's not that easy to get that much bright weather in Dublin that easily. Now it's not on autofocus system right now, it's manual focus, so that's why I'm always on focus. When I'm going to try which autofocus system I'm using, I'm gonna write them to corners so you can understand which picture profile and which autofocus system I'm using in that moment when you're seeing them. Before to show you everything, I just want to say that actually in Panasonic Lumix S5 camera, it is so easy to get on focus on manual focus. It's not that hard because there are system on the Lumix S5 that makes it so easy to focus on the manual system. And maybe in the future videos, if you want me to show you how to set the manual focus on manually, I can also show you to how I'm doing it, but I just want to show you something. Now I'm on vlog system in Panasonic. Look at the bright area, man. These colors are amazing. I love that colors. Panasonic's colors. Before I use Panasonic, came from the Canon system. I never thought that much good. Panasonic's color science, well, it's really great. By the way, guys, I'm not ambassador of Panasonic, or this video is not sponsored from anyone. This is all my truth, knowledge, and this is all my truth. Whatever I experienced with this camera, no one knows that I shoot this video, so enjoy with this video. Anyway, now I'm gonna show you to which focus system I'm using, which picture profile I'm using, so you can also see on the corners which I'm writing them to notifications if you want to see. Based off contrast focus, so I don't know, am I in the focus now? If I come closer, if I go far, am I still on focus? Yeah, they are also kind of hard things to get focus, so that's why I'm trying to show you guys, is it still on focus or not. So it is vlog, which is the most hardest one probably on the focus, so I'm trying to be vlog slowly, and if I'm on focus, which means that it's working, but if I'm not on focus, which means that it's not working. Face tracking and vlog system. So now jump on to another one. So now I'm using HLG picture profile, and as you see, it's face tracking autofocus system in a bright day. It's beautiful out there. When I come close, am I still on focus? Or if I go far, the sun is back there, which is so hard to get focus, but I'm not sure that is it on focus or not. Actually, you are the judge. So if you tell me that, you're gonna tell me am I on the focus or not. But the colors, man, the colors are so great, so good, seriously so good. By the way, I'm not looking for you guys because I'm looking to the right side of the monitor how I'm doing it, am I on focus or not. So that one's the HLG with the face detection system. The last time when I did this on the night time in the low light situation, you can find the video up there. So yeah, that time I figured out that HLG actually the best one for the autofocus system when it's a face tracking. So yeah, that's one's the HLG. Now jump off the other one. Now it's time for the Cinelike D2. Cinelike D2 face tracking system. I'm not sure that am I on focus or not. So back there is bright, as so bright. It's so hard to get focus. I'm giving it time, and now yeah. You got the focus, yeah? Oops. Sorry. Yeah, in here, if it's got enough focus, I think, yeah, it got it. So, I'm trying to be situations in there to how to get the focus, but you guys need to tell me that, am I on focus or not? Well, I think it's working pretty well in D2, Cinelike D2 focus tracking system. And if the suns come that direction, is it working better? Yeah, it's totally for the face tracking system, Cine D2. I'm walking backwards because the sun is behind. So if it's like this, probably It's so hard to get it, but like, yeah, it is face tracking system Cine D2. So now you know that what is Cine D2 face tracking system. Now I'm out of focus. I'm trying to get there, but like, yeah. So that was the Cine D2, and now I'm going back to another one, which is probably natural picture profile. Now I am on natural picture profile. Yeah, so I'm using natural picture profile. Also the same day, if I come close, am I on focus? Am I go far? Am I still on focus? If I take the bright side back, am I still on focus? If I turn to the bright side, am I on focus? So this whole thing is 4K 24 frames per second and 150 for the shutter speed, contrast based autofocus system, which you get to reach focus on 50 for shutter. It's so hard, but like if you're gonna use that camera for 4K 60 frames per second in full frame, you're gonna get 1.6 times crop. So that's why it will going to be maybe like this or something. So 1.6 crop, 60 frames per second going to show you like this, and it's not that good for the image. So anyway, that was the natural profile and face tracking system. Now I wanna try one area tracking system. Now I'm using vlog system, but the autofocus system is changed for the one area plus. It means that there is a one rectangle here and there is middle small rectangle, which is taking the more focus system on that rectangle. Vlog system is on and one area plus focus system is on. I don't know how well it's working, but they think that one area focus system is working way better. So I'm not sure that which one is good or which one is not. So this is a bright scenario. I just want to make sure that how it's work. Is it work correctly, or if it's not working well, if I come close, am I on focus now? Or if I go further, am I in focus now? So yeah, that one is the vlog with the one area plus focus system. Now we are going to HLG. So now we are in HLG with the one area plus autofocus tracking system. So I don't know, am I in the focus or not? But they're saying that this is 1.1 firmware version of this tracking system. But they announced, the Panasonic announced that 24th of November they will gonna show us the new tracking system which covered that one area plus system which I'm using now. We're going to have face tracking system inside, because there is a rectangle right now to the area, like this area, which is the biggest rectangle. So inside of that, which is small rectangle system here, so that actually the place they took for the focus. But like when the one after for this focus system, they were gonna announce for the face tracking system in that rectangular, and I'm actually, my thought is we're going to way better focus system when they announce this one. This one means that one area plus system with the face tracking, eye tracking system, they were going to improve it. So that one is the HLG one area plus face autofocus system. Now the Cinelike D2. I'm on Cinelike D2 picture profile and one area plus autofocus system. If I come close, am I still in focus? So it's contrast based focus system. I'm trying to get a, you know, the bright scenario and how the dynamic range, and that way you can understand how it works on dynamic range as well. So the picture profiles and the autofocus system, all whatever I'm doing now, it's all recorded at 1:50 shutter system. Guys, sorry, I'm always looking for the right side to understand how it's in focus or not. So that's why I'm not looking at you, but I really love to make a video content for you guys. This is bright, the dynamic range. Am I on the focus or am I not on the focus? Yeah. That one, the Cine D2. Now for the turn of the natural picture profile. We are on the natural picture profile with the one area plus autofocus tracking system. And as you see, am I in focus now or am I not in focus now? So you are the judge now. You're gonna tell me, am I in focus or not? But one thing I do understand today is Panasonic Lumix S5 have a gorgeous color science. Seriously, the colors are great, even if it's natural profile, which you can't color grade or you can't color correction with the natural picture profile because there is actually no dynamic range. But like I'm now in the shadow, but like if I find a way like this, and you're gonna see it, it's not bad a face color, and like I think it's really good. I really like it. It's very good. It's very, very good. So for my opinion, I still think that in HLG ice tracking system, it's like what I see now. It was really good. For today, I am done. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video and you want me to produce more content for you, please write me down below what kind of videos you want to see. And also please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I will continue to produce you guys for more content. So thanks very much till now. And as usual guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out!